G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's just a short and sweet video. I noticed I had a volunteer potato come up over this last couple of months. It's fully died back and I forgot about it, to be honest. I didn't plant it, so now that it's fully dead off, I was just gonna, well, fully died off.
Hello, Daddy.
Hello, Finny.
Hello.
Look at your face.
Eggs?
No, I'm getting potatoes.
Potatoes?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's died off. I'm not really expecting a massive harvest because, like I said, it was probably just a spud left in from our last lot of potatoes we did in here. But I'm going to have a little dig around and see what we can't get. I might just even rip up this sweet potato that's here. Might have one or two on that as well, so let's get to it. So this is the potato plant that was here. So I'll just rip that out. Oh, I'm not very hopeful for this potato dig around, but let's see what we can get anyway. Well, it's already one to start off with.
Wow! Daddy, look, good.
I wouldn't call that one. Oh yeah, leave that, mate. Oh, that's not a bad one. In there. Another small one that started sprouting. I'll leave that one in, that might grow next year.
Yeah. There is. Here.
That must have been the potato there. Put that there. Very, very thin one. Okay, so I've been clearing around out here just to get rid of some of these sweet potato vines. They're growing everywhere. They just go out of control. So a lot of them are going to the bottom of here, and I just wanted to see if there's not anything under there. There'll be a lot of moisture at the bottom, so I'll move this out the way and we'll have a look. Oh, yep. There's a few big ones. Oh, coming off this big root here.
Wow!
Just try to be careful.
Wow, Daddy, what is that?
Oh, that's not too bad. A couple of sweet potatoes.
Potatoes?
Look.
Wow! So what is that?
Purple sweet potato, mate.
Sweet potato.
There's a couple of bugs been into it, but I'm pretty sure we could peel that off and still get a meal or two. A few more here.
There's a bug underneath your knee.
All coming off.
Yep.
So as you can see, it's all coming off that one massive root, so that's what I'm going to be looking for. I'll go underneath this one and I'll have a little look around here. Just want to clean up some of these vines. But once they start growing, you can't really stop them. They just grow everywhere. So this will be chook food. If you really wanted to, you can eat this as a spinach substitute. It's not. I think the ground's too hard, that's why they're not getting long. Short and fat ones, but yeah, would have been nice and soft under there for them to grow out. That's what they'll just grow, keep growing off these vines everywhere. Another little one there. There's another one there. Tiny baby one. Oh, no telltale signs there. This one wasn't moved that long ago though. Okay, so I've just spotted another big vine and it's actually top of a massive tuber right there, look at that. So that sweet potato. The tip of it coming out. This feels like this one's going to be, holy jeebus. The size of that. Whoa!
I don't know. Probably Finley just gave him some sandwich.
I'm just going to go a couple of inches outside of it and just see if I can jump on the fork to get it down. But But our ground's very clay heavy, so it's kind of hard to get into at the moment. But oh, looks like we got it.
William.
Oh, look at that for disappointment. I thought it was going to be massive. But there's another couple of tubers there. 3 tubers there. Look at that. 4. So these might not be too big, but there might be a lot of them. So I'm going to try to... Oh, there's another one there. The ground is so hard.
The ground's so
Holy
hard.
smokes, yep. Okay. Yeah, that's what I think. The ground's too hard here. So we're just getting these small little tubers.
So what are the tubies? Ready?
Yeah, mate.
Wait, what are tubies?
Tubers.
Oh, how are they purple?
Because that's what the colour they are.
I don't like them, but what they like?
You don't know. You don't like them, and you want to know what they're like.
William, leave my hair, please.
Wow, that was a big one. Wow! Oh!
Yeah.
Okay, guys, that's what we ended up with. Not a bad little volunteer harvest. A couple of decent meals there. Little purple sweet potato. Yeah, some of them look like they've been eaten by something, but we'll just peel that away and that will be fine. Sorry about the kids in the background having fun. Yeah, so let's give these a little wash up. My little potato harvest wasn't too much. I think we got about 8 potatoes, but for no work it's not too bad. It's at least a night's dinner.